Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give me a like, share this video, and be the first one to comment on all my videos. And once I reach 9,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick the first comment, and that person's going to win the free money. Now let's get into this video. Okay guys, I'm in the Google Play Store and I pulled up this app called Type and Job Earn Money. So let's go ahead and look at the screenshots so we can learn a little bit about this app. So it says here, Type and Jobs, remote data entry jobs, earn money by mobile, easy type and work from home. This is how the home page look right here. And they're going to have typing jobs for you to apply for. So with this app, guys, they provide typing jobs for you to apply so you can start making money. They have data entry jobs, and here are the details about the job. So they'll tell you what the job is all about. And then you can earn using mobile, so you can do this all from your mobile phone. And you can search for your favorite job. Now what I'm going to do is click right here where it says about this app. So it says here, type in capture job, earn money, and get PayTM, bank transfer, UPI, and gift card in 24 hours. So guys, they do have capture jobs on here. So you don't know what a capture job is, you can just click the link at the top of this video and it'll take you to my video I did about captures. Alright, so it also says here, type in job, this is work from home, data entry, and type and work app. Using this app, you can earn extra income from capture, type and work. And this app is also guide for help you to find best job and work and earn money by type and work. So make money and earn cash for doing simple tasks, get paid to solve capture, cash out in PayTM, PayPal, and gift cards. So guys, if you don't have a PayPal account, you just go to paypal.com, sign up. It takes a few minutes and you'll be all set. So it also says here, you can work from home applying to some typing jobs and making an extra income as a side job today. We will show you how it is done in this multi-course. So they have a course on here that will show you how you can get some typing jobs, guys, so you can make this extra money. Okay, here's some of the features they have on here. So earn money app, make money, capture typing work, cash earning app, work from home, also guide for data entry job, typing jobs online guide, step-by-step guide for earn by writing. Let me go ahead and go to the rating. Okay, out of 5 stars, it's 3.9. Now guys, I always say 4.0, it's a good app. It's close to 4.0, so it's still a good app, guys. As this app hasn't been around that long, but as it gets more reviews, I'm sure it's going to go up past 4.0. Alright guys, that's all I'm going to say about this app. So if you like typing and you like making money and don't want to use a computer, just want to use your phone, go to Google Play, download this app, apply for those typing jobs, and get this money. Alright, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, please hit that like button for me. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this app. And share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this 3 times a week. Alright guys, thanks, I really appreciate it. One more thing I want to do, I want to go ahead and do a shout out. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you, appreciate your comment. Please keep watching my videos, keep hitting that like button, and if you share my videos, keep sharing help this channel get to 9,000 subscribers. Now, one last thing I want to do, guys. If you're having trouble manifesting money in your life, check out my ebook called How to Use Gravel Vote Numbers. This book talks about how you can use numbers to manifest money in your life. And you can find the link to that book in my description or in my comments. Just look for a guide on how to use gravel boat numbers. All right, guys. Thank you. I really appreciate you guys. Let's keep growing. Let's keep going. And I'll keep providing this money-making information for you. On that note, get your grind on, because our grind is real. Please check out these videos if you like to learn how to make money online fast. Peace, and have a prosperous day.